When Newcastle and Macquarie Universities approached Cycle Journeys in outdoor Samoa to do a trip here, it felt like such a natural fit with Vai Villas and the issue they have here with this invasive water hyacinth.
We spend over 20 to 30 hours per week just to stay on top of it. If we didn't, the waterway would be blocked, and unfortunately a lot of our funds go into paying workers to remove it manually. So we're really grateful for you coming along.
We've been welcomed here, it feels so homey and really a lovely privilege to be able to be here on this place, and then hopefully also to give something back.
Also, I think it just gives them like a embodied experience of this water lily. So rather than abstract concept of like this is a problem with the water lily, they're actually hands-on in it, seeing how hard it is to get it out, where it is, getting muddy, getting dirty. It's bonding as well. You know? It bonds people together in a way that other kind of tourism experience might not.
I'm getting a sense of adrenaline, and I feel like I'm zoning in, and I just have one job to do, and I'm just doing it.
You can see the difference that we've made in like half an hour. Like there's already a solid
People are
trial.
swimming in there as well.
It's beautiful.
Just being in the water, it's so much better than it is with the lilies on top. The water's really nice, so if we're able to figure out a way to get rid of more.
This was really an experiment for Cycle Journeys and the universities. We had no idea how this was going to play out, and I think just watching the enthusiasm and the chatter and the vibe that the students have got here while they're neck deep in the water pulling out water hyacinth, this has got some legs as a project, I reckon. This is great. What's it like having these guys here?
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, you know, not only coming here to help us out with the lilies, but also, you know, share the culture. And it's great that you're here for a couple of days. Yeah, because you know, you can do a bit of kayaking and sightseeing of just the natural beautiness of the islands, the experience of our family land, and what we're up against too.